So for today's video guys, I'll be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine, and yeah guys, a lot of you are requesting about this. I've decided to do it na din and share it with you para malaman nyo kung paano ko ginagawa yung everyday makeup routine ko. I hope you enjoyed this video and sana manood kayo hanggang dulo. And yun lang naman guys, so without further ado, let's hop into the video. So, yung una kong gagawin is I'll be using a moisturizer. Yung gagamitin ko is etong Sika Smoother na moisturizer nila. Usually, I use the Nature Republic na aloe vera gel for my moisturizer. But, wala na yun. Ubus na. Ubus na yung aloe vera ko. So, ito na muna yung gagamitin ko and hindi pa ako makabili ng aloe vera gel. Muna sa substitute ko. Next naman is I'll be moisturizing my lips and yun, nag-dry yung lips ko and parang namamalat-malat siya. May sugat-sugat. Ayan. Kung mapansin nyo. So, I use this, the Nivea Med Repair Lip Balm. Ito muna ginagamit ko ngayon kasi kailangan nating may repair yung ating lips. Okay na po yung ating lips. My kilay or my brow. And yung gamitin ko is eyebrow pencil from Nichido. And guys, super affordable nito. 60 pesos lang siya. Yan. So, ito yung ginagamit ko for my kilay if everyday lang. And okay naman siya. Ginagawa niya naman yung dapat niyang gawin. Kaya, okay to sa akin for everyday. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush first my kilay. And if you feel in ko ng very lightweight yung aking kilay. So, what I'm gonna do. Pag everyday lang, hindi ko siya piniflick na super flick. Like, bonggang kilay. Pinifill in ko lang siya and brush lang ng brush. Para lang mukhang natural looking. Ang next thing na gagawin ko is I'll be using a concealer from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And ilinisin ko yung kilay ko at yung mga eye bags and yung mga gusto kong takpan. Yun lang gagawin ko. Parts na gusto kong takpan, tatakpan na natin siya. Spot concealing natin ito. Yung may mga tigyawat tayong part. Yung kilay ko para pak na pak. And I'll be using my beauty sponge to blend. So, ang next thing na gagawin ko is isa-set ko na yung aking face. And gagamitin ko is this one, Nichido Final Powder, and this is in the shade Ivory Glow. So, translucent powder lang gagamitin ko. So, the next thing that I'll be doing is I'll be contouring my face kasi nga kung papansin nyo, apaka-shokaw po ng mukha ko today. And gamitin ko is this one, the Last Rose Highlight and Bronzer Palette. Is this one kasi parang super natural nga lang din. So, next thing na gagawin ko is magbo-blush on tayo. And yung blush na gagamitin ko, my favorite as of 2020, the Vice Cosmetic Aura Blush in the shade Yukon. And siya. Ayan. So, ang next na gagawin ko is mag-proceed ako sa aking eyes. Nagamit lang din ako ng pinag-contouran ko, yung contour powder, and lalagay ko siya sa aking eyes. Super konti lang. Para lang gagawin ko para magmukhang gising lang yung mata ko. Ganyan. Kamay-kamay lang ako mag-brush. Kasi simple lang naman ko gagawin. And ako-proceed na ako sa pagmamascara ko. And yeah, ang mascara gagamitin ko. Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline, New York. And mag-curl na din ako ng lashes ko. Eyes. So, the next thing na gawin natin is our lips. And two product. Itong Skin Genie Lip and Cheek Stain Alive in the shade Merlot. And itong Clay Crush from Maybelline. So, ang ginagawa ko is, lagay ko to sa inner part ng lips ko. And, ito itong fingers ko. Blend. Kahit ganyan, okay na. Pero, mas gusto kong pinapatungan nung Maybelline na Clay Crush. In the shade Clay Crush. Part is mag-highlight na tayo. And yung pang-highlight na gagamitin ko is from Careline, the Strobe Stick. And this is how it looks like. So, super ganda na ito guys. So, mapapansin nyo, super ganda. So, ang ginagawa ko is maglalagay ako dyan sa likod ng kamay ko. And ito yung ginagamit ko. At doon ako kumukuha ng product para settle lang yung pagka-highlight. Natural highlight lang. So, yun guys, here it is, the final look of my everyday makeup routine. So yeah guys, here's the final look of my everyday makeup routine. I hope you enjoyed watching this kind of video. And yun guys, kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe na and to be part of my family. Click the post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video here on my channel. So yan guys, if you have any video suggestions, just comment down below. Huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment kasi malay nyo diba, matry ko yung gusto nyo. And bigyan ko kayo ng shoutout. So, yan lang naman guys yung gusto ko sabihin. Okay guys, see you in my next